Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. Now, we are back with the EVIS class, and on this travel theme, let us start with page number 105. So, emergence of wheels. Now, we are going to study about how wheels were invented. So, let's quickly read the story. A long time ago, there were no wheels. So this is something we are talking about previous years when there was no invention of wheel or there were no wheels. People used to walk to different places, drag materials or carry heavy things on their backs. At that time, it was not possible for them to travel long distances. So this is a point of time in the previous years when there were no wheels. So people had to drag the things, heavy materials from one place to another, and there were no wheels. It was not possible for them to carry heavy things on their back or to drag them and cover the long distance. One day, a man observed a wooden log rolling down the slope. So if you can see, if you can notice, there's a big wooden log which is rolling down the slope. This amused him a lot. Amused means he got surprised. With this, he got an idea that the circular stone or log can roll. And he got an idea that a circular log can roll. He cut a circular piece of log and made wheels. Now if you can notice in the last picture, now he has started to cut these circular wheel or the logs, these circular logs, wooden logs in the form of wheels. Fine. ये इसको जिस तरीके से काट रहा है, he is cutting it in such a way so that he can use it in a form of wheel. Let's move to page number 106. Okay, so on this page, on page number 106, now we are going to discuss the different phases of wheels, means the changes or the advancements that took place over a period of time. So let's start with this page 106. Why are wheels made circular, not rectangular? So this question says that why are wheels made circular, not rectangular? So it is quite obvious. If the wheels are in circular shape, we can roll it, right? So it will be easier to roll them. If they're given a shape of rectangle, or if they're rectangular in shape, we won't be able to roll it, or the wheels won't get rolled. The man fixed the wheels with a wooden plank to carry heavy materials. Thus, he made the first cart. So you can notice what he has done is, the man has done is, he has attached these heavy wheels with the plank. So this is how the first cart was made. उसने एक बहुत बड़े बड़े heavy पहिए उसने एक wooden plank के साथ जोड़े, and this is how the first cart was made. These wheels were solid and heavy. Now what happened? उसने पहिए तो बना दिए, the wheels were made, but the problem was these wheels were very big and so heavy. He found it difficult to pull the cart with these heavy wheels. So it was very difficult for him to pull the cart with the heavy wheels. He started thinking of making wheels that were lighter in weight. Now he started to he just started with the thought of making the wheels lighter in weight. अब उसने सोचा कि मैं कुछ ऐसे पहिए बनाऊंगा जो weight में बहुत हल्के होंगे. He got the idea of using spokes in a wheel. Now he got an idea that what he will do is he will use spokes. So if you can notice the picture, he is making spokes in the wheel. He is attaching spokes to the wheel. Thus, the big and heavy wheels were replaced with the lighter wheels. जो बड़े पहिए थे, जो फर्स्ट टाइम बनाए गए थे, जो बहुत हेवी थे और बड़े थे, वो रिप्लेस किए गए with the lighter ones. They were much lighter and thus rolled faster. Now, as the time passed, man observed that the wood used in wheels wore out quickly. Wore out का मतलब होता है घिस गई, घिस जाना, because of continuous rubbing with the ground. So he attached leather straps on the edges of these wheels to prevent them from wearing out. Now if you will notice, he is attaching on the edge, the outer area, he is attaching the leather straps to protect the wheel. So his basic idea is, if he will attach the leather straps on the outer area of the wheel will be, he will be able to use the wheel for many days. It will last longer. Fine. Or if he does not attach the leather strap, so the difficulty that he used to face was that the wheel, it used to wore out quickly. Wore out means घिस जाना, and the reason was because of continuous rubbing with the ground. So he came up with the idea of attaching leather straps on the edges of the wheel. Many decades later, these leather straps were replaced with the iron bands. So now, as the time passed, so the leather straps were replaced with the iron bands. This made the wheels stronger and they lasted much longer. So as I told you previously also, that there were different phases in which the advancement of wheels took place. Firstly, the wheels were very heavy, so they were replaced with lighter ones having spokes in them. And then the man noticed that the wheels used to wear out quickly, so he attached the leather straps with them. After that, many decades, means one decade is of 10 years. So the decades, after many decades, so many, after a long time, these leather straps were replaced with the iron bands. This made the wheels stronger and they lasted much longer. मतलब इससे क्या होता था, आयरन बैंड अटैच होने से और लेदर स्ट्रैप जब रिप्लेस होके आयरन बैंड लगे थे, सो द व्हील बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए थे एंड इवन दे लास्टेड मच लॉन्गर, मीन्स काफ़ी लंबे समय तक चलते थे. Gradually the sizes of wheels and the material used for making them changed to make more efficient and durable wheels. So gradually as the time passed, the sizes of the wheels also changed, also the material also changed. Fine. So to make the wheel more efficient and durable for a longer period of time. These developments also made the journey faster, and as the development took place, the journey became better and faster. Today we have wheels with tires and tubes that not only can carry huge loads and move fast, but also save us from jumps on uneven roads. Okay students, now we have read the story. There are these 4 questions on page number 107 and page number 108. I write part, what experience led to invention of wheels? So when a man saw, a long time before, when a man saw wooden log rolling down the slope. So from there he got the idea of invention of wheel. How did wheel help man in transportation? So question 2 says, कैसे wheel use होता था in transportation? It was very helpful in carrying heavy material or things, and even in transport of people from one place to another. Question number 3, why did man make a wheel with spokes? Because to make the wheel lighter and so that it rolls faster. The spokes were attached with the wheels. Question number 4, why were leather straps attached to wheels? So the leather straps were attached to make the wheel work for a longer period of time, and since without the leather strap the wheels used to wear out quickly with continuous rubbing to the ground, so this led to the invention of leather straps, and these leather straps were attached on the edges of the wheel so that they lasted much longer. So your today's class is over. Okay, so do your work. A worksheet will be provided to you. You can write the answers in your book on page number 107 and 108 with the help of the worksheet. All of you, thank you for the class. Take care.